Part 1 is a language paper. Tamil, Hindi, French will be there. And Part 2, English paper. Part 3, major and supportive papers. Part 4, life skill and non-major elective papers. In Part 5, you have to be a part of NSS or PED or SLP programs in the first 2 years of your study. Regarding Part 1, anybody can opt either Tamil or Hindi or French courses offered by these departments. 3 hours per week per semester. For all the 4 semesters, you have to complete this program. Part 2 is offered by English department. Again, 3 hours per week per semester from semester 1 to semester 4. That is for 2 years. Then part 3, this is called as major paper. These papers are offered by your own department and the neighboring department. A commerce department can offer a course for economics, or economic department can offer for commerce programs. Or a management studies program can be offered by the department to computer science department also. Mathematics department can offer a course for chemistry, physics and computer science students. These courses are offered for other majoring students. If you are a commerce student, you can take up a course from any science discipline. Or a science student can take up a course from either language department or economics department or commerce department. These non-major elective courses are offered for first and second semester. Whereas life skill courses will be offered for 4 semesters. That is semester 1, semester 2 and semester 5 and semester 6. For those who selected already Hindi or French in part 1, they must select advanced Tamil course only. And there is a choice for those who have not studied Tamil either in 10th standard or 12th standard, they must select basic Tamil program. For BCom students, in non-major elective, they must choose only advanced Tamil. For BBA, English self-finance and economic self-finance students, those who are selected in part 1 a Tamil paper, they can choose any one of these available papers offered by BCA, Computer Science Department, Biochemistry, Chemistry, Microbiology, Mathematics and Physics departments. For Biochemistry, Chemistry, Microbiology, Mathematics and Physics self-finance program, those who are selected Tamil in part 1, they can choose any one paper from the available courses offered by all the other departments. For computer science and Bachelor of Computer Application, those who are selected Tamil in part 1, they can choose one course from these available courses. Life skill courses are common for all majors. You can choose any one life skill paper from these available courses. And you must join in part 5 program and you must stay for 2 years, either NSS or PED or SLP. Dear students, the course registration for LS and NME programs will be shared through college website and Google Classroom shortly. Thank you. God bless you.